This is my 27-inch QHD resolution gaming monitor from KOORUI. It comes in both flat screen and curved design. The one I have here with me is the flat screen model. It's rocking at 2560 by 1440 resolution, which is not quite 4K but much higher than a regular 1080p panel. But what separates this monitor from a typical QHD monitor is the support for high refresh rate. On this monitor you can play 1440p games at 144Hz refresh rate without any issues. So that translates to a buttery smooth gameplay. Added bonus is its low latency and 85% DCI P3 color gamut. This monitor also supports AMD's adaptive FreeSync technology, which synchronizes GPU and display refresh rate to prevent screen tearing and freezing during gameplay and also during video playback. You get both HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 ports, which means you can connect multiple laptops and desktop PCs to this monitor. Now regarding the build quality and aesthetics of this monitor, I think it looks really stylish. Its bezels are small and the chin area is also not too big. The included stand looks pretty cool on my desk, although you have the option of mounting this monitor to your desk using a full motion swivel monitor arm. So overall, for the price, this is a pretty good gaming monitor for budget conscious consumers. You will be able to play your favorite QHD games at 144Hz refresh rate, which is really nice for the price point.